Hello everybody, this is Val with This Is How You Do It, and I am going to make me a pizza out of those, out of this. You know, I bought this the other day, and it's 10 of them in here. I think it's 10 of them. So, I'm going to use this, repurpose this, and make a pizza. I got one on a plate, a regular plate, and you're going to need that. Peppers and onions already cut up. I need some cheese. Got the sorted kind. And you're going to need one sausage. I took the skin off it and fried it up. And I used some of the portobello mushrooms that I picked up. I fried them. And I may use a little ketchup, just a small amount. And this to give it spice, maybe. Now, I'm going to turn the camera downward so you can see what's going on. And hopefully, you'll see me make this. You can make it with the kids or you can do it by yourself. But this is just me by myself in the house finna make me a homemade microwave pizza. Measuring the ketchup, I don't know if that's going to do me any good, but it's done. That's just to give it a little flavor, y'all. Because what's pizza without a sauce? Right? Right. So ketchup is just as good. And I may put this on the back of it. Let's see. On the back of the spoon, that is. Just a tad. Well, can't get it to come out. Here you go. It just popped out. Just on the back of the spoon. You see what I put on the back of the spoon? Just to throw some flavor in that ketchup. Now I think I'm through with that spoon. Now what I'm gonna do is you put the cheese on next, don't you, y'all? See? Cheese. And while y'all looking, y'all can look at my size and see if their stomach going down. This is a treat, y'all. I don't eat this all the time. This is a treat. Sometimes I just make an egg cheese burrito. Well, I like cheese, egg, and rice, leftover rice, stuff like that. Now this is the sausage that I peeled and smashed up. Putting that on there. Oh, this may be able to make two of them. That's just one sausage, and it can make two. If Willie was here, I would make him one. Then this is the peppers. Throw them across there. Look just like any pizza you'll get from anywhere else, wouldn't it? And don't need to use all these either. I'm just showing you how economical that is. And you mean I'm getting double cheese on my pizza, so let me throw a little bit more on there. I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds to melt the cheese. Oh yeah, my portobello mushrooms, I fried them up. I'm just going to lay them on there. I could cut those up, but I'm just going to lay them across there. I'm getting a little heavy-handed with it, and I don't want to put too much on it. But then again, it'll be like a deep dish pizza. I'm trying to make it pretty too, so it's all going in the same place. It don't really have to be pretty. But I'm going to put this in the microwave. I'm going to let y'all follow me over there. I'm going to let you follow me over to the microwave. About 30 seconds. Put the top on it, on your plate, so it won't be dried out or hard. 30 seconds. That's another reason for doing it 30 seconds. You don't want to dry your piece out. Because if you put it on there for a complete minute, it'll probably be hard and dry and hard to eat. And I'm going to check it after 30 seconds, and I'm going to let you see it. Hold on for a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Let me show you what the pizza look like. I had to stop it because somebody came to the house. Now, this is just 30 seconds. Now I'm going to put 30 more seconds on it. Put the top back on it. 30 more seconds, trying not to dry it out. Oh yeah, I did make my cucumber water. So y'all, what it look like. I did make my cucumber water. I'm drinking it. Right here, it's just water with cucumber flavor in it. Very refreshing. And I think it's doing its due. All it is sliced cucumbers in water. And the flavor get in the water. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. All right. And this is Val with This Is How You Do It with her homemade pizza. And I'm finna put a slice into it to let you see that it's not hard, even though it was made in the microwave. I could have put it in the oven. But see, that's not hard. I didn't want it hard, y'all. And I can put it in the microwave a little longer if I wanted to. All I did was warm the dough. And you can fold that up and just put it in your mouth. I just did it, y'all. Look at that cheese. And it's soft. It's not hard. Pennies on a dollar. Pennies on a dollar, y'all. Y'all saw it. Y'all saw how much I paid for this. And this valve. Sorry for on my mouth, but this is some good stuff. But this is how you do it, and I'm getting off him.